Hey everybody, welcome back to the Middle of the Magic YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a series of resort room tours and reviews, and we're starting with one of our favorite resorts in the value category, and that is Pop Century Resort. One of the things we like best about this resort is that it's great for kids, and it's also great for adults traveling without kids. There are lots of big icons and characters and colorful things to look at that kids love, but it's also filled with lots of decades nostalgia that adults traveling without children will appreciate too. In addition to this, they just went through a new room refurbishment in 2018, and so the rooms have recently been redone and they're super functional and modern and comfortable, and they just make a ton of sense. Disney made some great choices with this room refurbishment, so much so that they're actually doing similar room refurbishments to all the value resorts now. So let's check out the room. I hope you enjoyed that quick look at the room. I'm going to go through some of my favorite parts of this room. The first one is this pull-down bed you see on the left. It's a table when you don't need a bed down, but it pulls down into a full queen like you saw in the video. Next part I love about this room is the Mickeys over the bed. It fits with the theming, the sort of pop art theming, but it still gives a nice Disney touch to the resort. The third thing I love about this room is the hand shower in the bathroom. This is great if you have kids who have hair that's hard to wash, like really thick, or you just don't want to deal with like a whole bath. You can just rinse them down real easily. And then the bathroom has incredible storage space. Lots of shelves and places to put your things that really maximize the space. And finally, there's a great coffee nook that has spots for snacks and your refillable resort mugs, and even a great clear front mini fridge. We hope you enjoy this room, and if you're interested in staying here, remember to contact your favorite agent from Middle of the Magic Travel. Thank you so much.